ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, in this lesson next topic is nitrogen oxo acids. Nitrogen oxo acids are mainly four types. One is hyponitrous acid, second one nitrous acid, third one nitric acid, fourth one pernitric acid. Nitrogen oxo acids are four. They are hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid. Hyponitrous acid formula HNO or H2N2O2. Hyponitrous acid formula HNO or H2N2O2. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Pernitric acid formula HNO4. Hyponitrous acid HNO or its dimer H2N2O2, nitrous acid HNO2, nitric acid HNO3, pernitric acid HNO4. In these two are nitrous acid, these two are nitric acid. You know that As acids means lower oxidation number. As acids means lower oxidation number. Ic acids means higher oxidation number. And oxidation number increases. Its acidic character increases. We know that oxidation number increases, its acidic character increases. In these two are nitrogen oxo acid, As acids. These two are ic acid. So in these two, lower oxidation number possible. When we observe it, in this HNO or H2N2O2, what is the nitrogen oxidation number? 2 into, in hyponitrous acid, nitrogen oxidation number 2 into hydrogen, we know standard value +1, nitrogen 2x plus 2 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to x is equal to +1. So in this nitrogen oxidation number is +1. Next one, nitrous acid. You know nitrous acid HNO2. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. Hydrogen oxidation number 1. Nitrogen we call X. 2 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Nitrogen oxidation number is 3. Here nitrogen oxidation number 3. Here nitrogen oxidation number is 1. Next, nitric acid. In nitric acid, hydrogen is 1, nitrogen X, 3 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus 3 minus 6 is 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal plus 5. So here nitrogen oxidation number is +5. Per nitric acid, there is a peroxy bond. There is a peroxy bond. Without peroxy bond, its oxidation number is 7 possible. Calculate it. 1 into nitrogen X, 4 into oxygen -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +7. X is equal to +7. But nitrogen belongs to 5A group element. 5A group elements maximum oxidation number is 5 only. But here 7 possible. Means it is a wrong. There is a peroxy bond. Means in these 4 oxygens, one is a peroxy bond, means OO bond possible. So in this, its oxidation, its structure when we observe N nitrogen, O, OH, double bond O, and one is day2 bond or anyone. So it is possible like that. Means here oxygen oxidation number is -1, -1, -1. So here hydrogen is +1, this one, nitrogen is X, 3 oxygens only -2, 2 oxygens -1 is equal to 0. These two are -2, these two are -2. 2 oxygen -2, 2 oxygens -1 is equal to 0. 1, 2, these two are -2, these two are -1. X, hydrogen +1. 1 plus X -4 -2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to +5. X is equal to +5. So in nitric acid, nitrogen oxidation number 5. Per nitric acid, nitrogen oxidation number is 5. These two are higher oxidation number elements. These two are lower oxidation number. Hyponitrous acid, nitrogen oxidation number is +1, and nitrous acid, nitrogen oxidation number is +3. This is +3. So here you know that these two are less acidic nature than these two. So which is more acidic nature? Nitric acid and pernitric acid. Why it is more acidic nature? They have a more oxidation numbers. That is about the nitrogen oxo acids oxidation numbers. And also nitrogen oxo acid structure, and nitrogen oxo acids also structures like phosphorus oxo acids. Nitrogen oxo acids has mainly hyponitrous acid HNO or H2N2O2. Its possible structure is N double bond N, single bond OH, single bond OH. N double bond N, single bond OH, single bond OH. This one structure. Okay, so that is a hyponitrous acid structure. When we observe it, hyponitrous acid structure, when we observe it in this OH number in oxo acids, these are, you know that oxo acids. Oxo acids means acidic nature with OH group. Acidic nature with OH group. Here how many OH groups? 2 OH groups possible. So in this acid basicity is 2 possible. Number of OH is called acid basicity. Its acid basicity is 2 possible. And it has a 2 NOH bonds. NOH bonds are 2. NOH bonds are 2. N double bond N bond is 1. N double bond N bond is 1. And also here sigma bonds. Possible number of sigma bond. Here one sigma bond possible. 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bonds possible. Number of sigma bonds 5. Pi bond 1, because between nitrogen double bond. One is sigma, another one is pi bond. Sigma bonds 1, because oxygen hydrogen there is a bond, 1 bond, 2 bonds, 3 bonds, 4 bonds, 5 bond. 5 sigma bond. Pi bond in double bond, 1 is a pi bond. Number of sigma bond and number of pi bonds. Sigma bonds and pi bonds is called, that is called bond pairs. Number of bonds, they are called bond pairs. 5 plus 1, 6 bond pairs possible. 6 bond pairs possible. Lone pairs. Lone pairs. Lone pair, you know, nitrogen valency 5. In that 5, 2 or 3 are participating in bonding. One lone pair. Here also 5, 3 are participating in bonding. One lone pair. Next, oxygen. You remember that oxygen. Oxygen valency is, you know that 6 electrons. Oxygen valency 6 electron. In that 6, 1, 2 are participating in bonding. The remainder are 2 lone pairs. Same way here also. Oxygen. Oxygen valency electrons are 6. So in that 2 are participating in bonding. So there is also 4. So number of lone pairs on nitrogen 2 nitrogen, so 2 possible. On phosphorus, that is 4 possible. Total is 2 plus 4, 6 lone pairs possible. On the nitrogen is nitrogen above 2 lone pairs, oxygen above 4 lone pairs. 2 plus 4, total is 6 lone pairs possible. So lone pairs and bond pairs ratio. Lone pairs and bond pairs. Lone pairs is 6, bond pairs also 6. So its ratio is 1:1. Its ratio is 1:1. And also you know that in this possible nitrogen oxidation number +1. Already you know that in previous topic. So nitrogen oxidation number +1. In that nitrogen oxidation number is how much? +1 possible. So that is about a hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid, it's a Lewis dot structure here. Remember, simple. Oxygen NOH group, double bond N, OH group. In this OH group is called acid basicity. In hyponitrous acid, in this structure 2 OH groups possible. In this only one, but in these 2 possible. In this only one. So 2 OH group possible. So in this acid basicity we call 2. Its NaOH groups we call 2. N double bond N group is 1. Number of sigma bonds are 5. Pi bonds are 1. Is 1. So total number of bonds means 5 plus 1, 6 bond pairs. Lone pairs, on the nitrogen lone pairs are 2 possible. On oxygen, each oxygen 1, 2. Here also 1, 2, total 4 possible. So total number of lone pairs is equal nitrogen 2, phosphorus 6, total is 6. And lone pair bond pair ratio 6:6, 1:1. So on nitrogen, its possible oxidation number is +1. Nitrogen possible oxidation number is +1. That is about the hyponitrous acid. Another structure is another compound nitrous oxo acid, another compound nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. Second one is nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula, you know that HNO2. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. Its possible structure NOH double bond O. NOH double bond O. Or it is also written as N double bond O OH. N double bond O OH. When this nitrogen observed, it has a 1 lone pair. Oxygens, we know the 2 lone pairs. In this oxygen also 2 lone pairs possible. OH means, you know that O bond H. OH means O bond H. So HNO2, NOH, NOH double bond O, its structure, it is also written as like this. In this also we observed its properties of H compounds. In this one types of bonds, NOH bond is 1. So it is acid basicity is this acid basicity is 1 because basicity means OH group only one. Types of bonds, NOH bond is 1. Here N double bond O bond is 1. NOH bond is 1. N double bond O bond is 1. Next, number of sigma bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds. Number of pi bonds, 1. In double bond 1 pi bond, so 1. So total number of bond pairs, 4 plus 1, 5. Bond pairs means total number of sigma bonds and pi bonds is called bond pairs. So 4 plus 1, 5 bond pairs. They are the total number of bond pairs. Next, lone pairs. Lone pairs on nitrogen is 1. On nitrogen is 1. In oxygen is 4 possible. Here 2, 4 possible. So total number of lone pairs, 1 plus 4, 5 lone pairs. Next, lone pair and bond pair ratio, LP and BP ratio, lone pair and bond pair ratio, 5:5, 1:1. So the number of possible oxidation number plus 3 in this. Already you know how it is. HNO2, hydrogen X, 1, nitrogen is X, 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0, 1 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 3. So possible oxidation number is plus 3. There the hyponitrous acid. Acid basicity is 1. OH group is called acid basicity. It is 1. NOH group is 1. N double bond O group is 1. Number of sigma bonds 1, 2. Number of sigma bonds 1, 2, 3 only. Number of sigma bonds 3. Sorry. 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bond, 3 only. Pi bond is 1. So number of bond pairs are 4. Number of bond pairs are 4. Remember. Number of sigma bond 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds. Pi bonds 1. So number of bond pairs is 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Lone pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lone pairs. 1 is nitrogen, oxygen. Lone pairs is 5. So lone pair bond pair ratio means lone pair is 5, bond pair is 4. Oxidation number is plus 3. Already you know about this. So here sigma bonds once remember 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bond, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 sigma bond. This is pi bond. 3 and 1. That is about hyponitrous acid and this is nitrous acid. Hyponitrous and nitrous acid has plus 1 and plus 3 oxidation number. Plus 1 and plus 3 oxidation number. Okay, na? That is about hyponitrous acid. Next one is nitric acid. Third property is nitric acid. HNO3. Nitric acid, that is called HNO3. HNO3 structure. N, it has a resonance structures. It has a HNO3 has a resonance structures. HNO3 has a resonance structure. H, OH, double bond O minus, N plus. Or it is also written as N. It is also written as N, OH, O minus, double bond O plus. Check it, this one and that one. Here double bond O is left side, above is O minus. These two are reverse. Here double bond O minus. N plus means N is loss of the electron. Oxygen is the gain of the electron. Or simply it is written as N double bond O, OH, nitrogen has lone pair. That lone pair donated to oxygen. That lone pair is donated to oxygen. Donated to this one is oxygen. So it may be day 2 bond possible. Electron pair donor. So it is a day 2 bond possible. Day 2 bonds also considered as a covalent bond. In that condition, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond possible. It has a 4 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Acid base CTE. Acid base CTE means OH number. OH number is only 1. Possible bonds N double bond O, NO bond and NOH bond. N double bond O, NO bond, NOH bond. In this nitrogen oxidation number, already you know that hydrogen is +1, nitrogen X, 3 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to 0, 1 plus X minus 5 is equal to 0, 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0, X is equal to +1. So that is about nitric acid. Nitric acid, its possible resonance structure. Or simply in day 2 bond it is written as like this. Based on this 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bond, this is also considered covalent bond, 4 sigma bond. Double bond means 1 pi bond. In this nitrogen oxidation number is +5 possible. In this acid basicity, OH number is called acid basicity. So its OH number is 1. So its acid basicity is 1. Its acid basicity is 1. Its oxidation number is maximum possible. So these are the strong acids. Nitric acid is a strong acid. That is about nitric acid. Another one is pernitric acid. Pernitric acid. Pernitric acid formula HNO4. Pernitric acid formula HNO4. Pernitric acid. Pernitric acid. So why it is called pernitric acid means it has a peroxy bond. It has a peroxy bond. It is also resonance structure NOOH double bond O minus means N plus. Check it. Oxygens are 4 possible in this. Oxygens 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 hydrogen. This is loss, this is gain. And it is also written as resonance structure. It is also written as N double bond O minus N plus OOH. OOH. This OO is called peroxy bond. OO is called peroxy bond. You know that OO in first year hydrogen and its compounds and stoichiometry lesson. OO bond is called peroxy bond. Peroxy bond. In peroxy bond, oxygen oxidation numbers is -1. In peroxy bond, oxygen oxidation number is -1. Each one -1 possible. And when we observe that this one structure, it is also in simple structure. It is written as NOOH double bond O. This one day 2 bond, electron pair donor. Electron pair, this is electron rich compound, deficient compound, transferred nitrogen to oxygen, electron pair donor. It is day 2 bond. Okay, so in that condition, N double bond O 1 possible, day 2 bond 1 possible. These 3 are the O bonds, peroxy bonds. In this also acid base heat is 1 possible. In this possible nitrogen oxidation number, you know that nitrogen is 1, hydrogen is 1, nitrogen also 1. In 4 oxygen, 2 oxygens has a peroxy bond, this one. OO, peroxy bond, 2 oxygens peroxy bond, 2 oxygen not peroxy bond -2. is equal to 0. 1 plus x minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 5. So it is also more oxidation number. So plus 5 oxidation number. It is also strong acid. Nitrous acid, hyponitrous acids are weak acid. Nitric acid and pernitric acids are strong acid. That is about nitrogen oxo acids. These are the nitrogen oxo acids. And phosphorus oxides and phosphorus oxo acids. Next topic is phosphorus oxides and phosphorus oxo acids. Phosphorus oxides and phosphorus oxo acid. First one is phosphorus oxides. You know that this group elements mainly two type of oxides. One is trioxide, another one is pentoxide. Trioxide is P2O3 and P2O5, trioxide. And pentoxide is P2O5. So phosphorus atomicity is 4. So it is exist as a dimer, P4O6 and P4O10, dimers we call P4O6 and P4O10. In P4O6, it is possible dehydrating of phosphorus acid. P4O6, it is possible dehydrating. You know that phosphorus acid, H3PO3, dehydrating means removal of water. It can form P4O6 plus 6H2O. Check it. 4 phosphorus, 12 hydrogen, 12 oxygen. 4 phosphorus, 6 plus 6, 12 oxygens, 12 hydrogen. P4O6 dehydrating, it can form a P4O6. P4O6 structure already phosphorus, P4O6 is phosphorus trioxide dimer. Phosphorus trioxide dimer, P4O6. We know that phosphorus and also its bonding, like phosphorus it is only bonding, phosphorus. So possible oxygens bond P4O6, possible oxygen bonding. Possible oxygen bonding. P4O6 possible oxygen bonding. Okay, so and also opposite oxygens possible. Phosphorus and phosphorus opposite one oxygen. This phosphorus and phosphorus opposite another oxygen possible. That is P4O6. Check it. Phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahedral shape. Middle there is a dotted lines, means no bonding here. Here bonding is possible POP, 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 and middle also POP, middle also POP bonds possible. That is about phosphorus. You know phosphorus valency 5. In that 5, 3 are participating in bonding. Remain lone pair also possible on phosphorus. Lone pair possible. Oxygen valency 6. In 6, 2 are participating in bonding. So remain 2 lone pairs also possible on oxygen atom. Remain 2 lone pairs are possible on oxygen atom. Okay, that is about the structure of P4O6. In this P4O6, when we observe that it has a one is POP bonds, one is POP bonds, POP bonds. POP bonds how many possible? POP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, middle 2. This one is opposite. POP bonds are 6 possible. Next one. Another one in this is oxygen phosphorus. Every phosphorus surrounded by 3 oxygen atom. In this very important commutative bit, every phosphorus surrounded by 3 oxygen. Phosphorus surrounded 1, 2, 3 oxygen. This one also 1, 2, 3 oxygen. This one also 1, 2, 3 oxygen. Every phosphorus surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms. And also total number of covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 covalent bonds possible. Number of covalent bonds are 12 possible. Covalent bonds are 12. So lone pairs on phosphorus is 4. Lone pairs on oxygen is, each oxygen is to 6 oxygen. 6 2s are 12. So total number of lone pairs is 4 plus 12, that is 16. Lone pairs, each phosphorus 4, oxygen is 2, 6 oxygen, 6 2s are 12. Total lone pairs is 4 plus 12, 16. So covalent bonds is called another name bond pairs. So bond pairs is 12. Its ratio is, lone pair and bond pair ratio is, lone pairs is 16, bond pair is 12. So 4:3 possible. These covalent bonds is also called sigma bonds. So total number of sigma bonds also 12. 12 sigma bond. That is about P4O6. In P4O6, phosphorus oxidation number. In P4O6, phosphorus oxidation number is 4x plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 12. So x is equal to plus 3. So phosphorus oxidation number is plus 3. That is about the phosphorus oxo acids and also nitrogen oxo acids.